Are you struggling to find effective ways to boost your sales and grow your business? Imagine having tons of traffic flooding your website, ready to convert into paying customers. It might sound like a dream, but it's entirely achievable with the right strategies. In today's competitive landscape, simply having a good product or service isn't enough. The challenge lies in driving high-quality traffic to your website or store, and ensuring that this traffic translates into meaningful sales. Many businesses face this problem, often feeling stuck in a cycle of low engagement and missed opportunities. But here's the good news: the solution is simpler than you think. To start, focus on optimizing your website for search engines. SEO isn't just a buzzword, it's the backbone of getting noticed online. By targeting specific keywords and creating content that addresses your audience's pain points, you can attract visitors who are already interested in what you offer. Another crucial tactic is leveraging social media platforms. These platforms aren't just for brand awareness, they're powerful tools for driving traffic. Consistently sharing engaging, value-packed content can position your business as a go-to resource in your industry. Email marketing is another game changer. Building an email list and crafting personalized, well-timed campaigns can significantly boost conversions. And let's not forget about paid advertising. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to target specific demographics, ensuring that your message reaches the right people at the right time. To make the most of your efforts, consider using specialized tools that simplify traffic generation and help optimize your campaigns. The key moment comes when all these efforts start yielding tangible results. Imagine seeing a consistent flow of traffic to your site, increased engagement on your social channels, and a noticeable uptick in sales. It's the point where your hard work and smart strategies come together to create a thriving business. In summary, boosting your sales through tons of traffic is about using a combination of proven techniques like SEO, social media marketing, email campaigns, and targeted ads. By focusing on these areas and continuously adapting to your audience's needs, you can achieve sustained growth and success. Now, it's time to take action. Start by assessing your current strategies, identifying gaps, and implementing the tips we've shared. Don't forget to check the description for a list of powerful tools that can help you unlock the full potential of your traffic and take your business to the next level.